Nathan from Equipco, here to talk today about our range of Husky fuel nozzles. Husky range of automatic nozzles are some of the best on the market, all manufactured in the USA. First two models we'll look at is the HS45, which is a 45 litre per minute unleaded nozzle, and the HS68, which is a 68 litre per minute diesel nozzle. Now both of these units, suited for standard low flow applications, have a 3/4 or 20mm BSP female inlet. Next model we'll be looking at is the mid-flow HS100. This unit has a 1" or 25mm BSP inlet, but carries a small spout similar to the HS68 for use in these mid-flow applications where you want a higher flow but you're still filling smaller vehicles. The last model in their standard range is the HS280. This suits up to 275 litres per minute. Now this unit has a 1" female BSP inlet and a large open spout suited for high flow truck fill and other similar applications. Now all four of these nozzles that I've just discussed come with full NMI approvals for use in the retail industry, so that's if you're going to be selling fuel on to others, which is truly a testament to the quality of the build. They also come fitted with a Flo-Stop device, which means that should the nozzle ever drop out of the fill point, they'll automatically shut off, preventing any loss of fuel. We have one other Husky nozzle to go over. Now this is the HS380. This is a large commercial nozzle suited for 375 litres per minute with an 1.5" inlet and a large body spout for filling very large vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.